Hello everyone, welcome back again to another tutorial. Hope you're all doing great. So today we're gonna be doing this beautiful dress. This is a requested video. One of my subscribers sent it to me and asked me to make a video on it. I wanted to do a video on it long time ago, but I was just looking for the right fabric to use. This is the fabric I'm gonna be working with. This is a velvet lace fabric. We'll be needing about 4 to 5 yards of fabric. So I will spread my fabric on the table. I'm turning it to the wrong side. After spreading it, then I will grab it from this end. Just watch me very well. And take it like so. So for this dress, I need about 61 inches length, and 1 inch would be for sewing allowance, so that is 62 inches. So you fold it like a triangle. So I try to make sure I get up to the length. The more you turn it, the more fuller your dress will be. So because of the length of the fabric, there is no way I would do this kind of dress, this long dress, without joining it at the bottom of the dress. So we're going to be joining the bottom side. So I will show you guys how we can join it. Let me see if it's up to the measurement I needed. So yes, it's up to the measurement I want. So I will bring it down a little bit. This is the one we're going to be cutting out now. It's folded like a triangle. Can I have a chalk, please, Sandra? So I'll go ahead and place the measurement now. I'm cutting out the front one. Then I'll use the front one to cut out the back. It's basically the same thing. I will place my shoulder measurement. The shoulder measurement I'm working with is 16 inches. 16 divided by 2 is 8 inches. So now I'll place my 8 inches here. Then from here, I will take the armhole. The armhole is 9 inches. I'll mark my 9 inches here. I will draw a line. This is the shoulder measurement. I'm using yellow chalk so you guys can see it very well. So I will draw the normal armhole here. This is 8 inches for the shoulder, and this is 9 inches for the armhole. Then I will come here and take 3 inches for the neckline. That is the upper part. The wideness of the neck, I'm taking 3 inches. And the depth, the neck depth, I'm taking 3 inches. I'll connect it. Then I will take 1 inch shoulder slope or shoulder slant here. I will start curving it right from here. So this is the neckline. This is 3 inches where the neckline ends. Then I will make a curve right from here, curve it, and take it to the shoulder slope and bring it down. So when I get to this place where the armhole, the first armhole I made, and stop where the armhole stopped, then from there I will take my armhole. This is another new armhole, and I'm taking 10 inches for the armhole. Then this 10 inches, I will take it inside about 2 to 3 inches. Then I'll curve it with my curve ruler. So I went inside by 2 inches. After creating this new armhole, I will start taking it down to the length of the dress. So right from here now, the shoulder here, I will take my dress length. Like I said earlier, the dress length is 61 inches, then plus 1 is seam allowance, that is 62 inches. So I will shift it a little bit. I'm taking the length. Our mark 61 inches, 62 inches altogether here. I will take it round 62 inches. Take it like you're making a circular dress. Still the same process. The only difference is the curve we make here. So this side, the side here, and I will draw it to the ends of the fabric. So let me show you guys again. This is the neckline, this is the shoulder measurement, 8 inches, and this is the neckline, 3 inches. For the wideness and the depth is 3 inches. So I made 1 inch slope, shoulder slope here. So right from this place where the 3 inches ends, then I will start curving it right from this place, take it to the shoulder slope and curve it. I will stop here. This is the first armhole I made. I will stop here. Then from here, I will go inside by 2 inches and make a new armhole. So the new one is 10 inches. From here to here is 10 inches. Then I will curve it inside, 2 inches inside. I will take it like so. Then I will mark it to the length of the dress. So I will be cutting it out. We use this to cut the back one. So I will just follow this line, this curve line, cut it all the way. Remember I said I'll be joining it. So this is the length. So this is where, as you can see, this is not as long as the front one. So I'll be joining it here. I will cut this so I'll be joining it here so that both of them will be equal. So I'll place my fabric. So I'm just showing you guys how you can join it. Now I take this like so, bring out this one. So I'll place this front one on top and use my chalk to mark it so that I will know where to cut it out. I'll add ½ inch to it because I will be joining it there. So I will go ahead and cut this one out. So as you can see, I've already cut it out. I place this one there, you see, but they are both equal now. The upper one and this is the down one. So what I will do is to turn this to this side So I will just go ahead and pin it. This is the one we cut out. Make sure the right side are facing each other. So I'll pin them together. So we open it up and open this one. You can see they are both equal now. I only join it here. So what I'm going to do is to cut the back panel. It's basically the same thing. The only difference is that the depth neckline is 1 inch. The wideness of the neck still remains the same. So you place your fabric on the table, lay this against the fabric and use this to cut out the back panel. So I finished cutting out the back panel. This is the front one. And this is the back panel. I will join them together. The only difference here, as you can see, this one, the neckline is 1 inch, and while the front one is 3 inches. I've also joined the down part. So this is where I joined the down part. Remember, I cut out a fabric to join the down part in order for me to achieve the length, the full length I want. You hardly see the joining. I'm going to make a slit at the front panel. I will look for the midpoint. So this is the midpoint, and I will make about 3 to 4 inches slit. So I make about 3 inches slit at the front. I will cut out a facing and use it to hem the front. And cut this facing, sew it on this side, and I will turn it to the other side again. Use it to hem the front side. So next is for us to join the fabric together. Before joining it, make sure you hem the armhole. Yeah, you take 1/2 inch and turn 1/2 inch again and hem it round. So I've already hemmed mine. You hem the other one, the same thing to the other side. So we join the fabric together now, match the neck, the shoulder together. So make sure the right side are facing each other. This is the right side of the back and the right side of the front are facing each other. So this is the neckline. I'll pin it right from here. When I get to here, I'll stop. This is the armhole. Then I will go down to this side again. Continue from this side. So I'll finish pinning them. I will sew the shoulder here. I will stop here. Then this is the armhole. Then you continue from this side again. You sew it to the down side. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side as well. So I'll finish sewing the both side. This is the neckline. I have also used facing to turn the neckline. See how full it is. So I will measure the neckline. So I'm adding a neckband to it, like a bishop neck. So I have about 17 and a quarter. 17 and a quarter. So I will cut out 17 and a quarter. So I will add 1 inch for sewing allowance. So I'll be cutting out about 18 and a quarter for the length. adding line into it to give it a little bit of weight, and I'll be adding interface into it. So the lining is basically the same thing. I cut out the lining the same way I cut out the fabric. Here the length is 19 inches and the weight is 4.5 inches. So by the time I fold it like this, I will have about 2 inches and a quarter. And so I will press my interface into it, then I will sew this side and sew the end this side here. I use a pressing iron to press the interface into the fabric. Now I sew this place and left 1/2 inch here. The same thing on this side. I'm cutting this out. So I'll go ahead and turn it. So I will now take my dress so this will be inside. This is the right side of the neck collar and this is the wrong side of the dress. I'll pin it to the dress. So I will sew it around the neckline. After sewing it, and I will turn this to this side and take the remaining 1/2 inch and sew it like so. And I will sew it around the neckline the second time again. I finish attaching the neck bands to the neckline. So I'll be adding button here. So this is the slit, the front slit. I'll be adding my button here. So we are done with the dress. It's very easy to make. So it's not difficult to make at all. Here's the bishop neck. And this is the slit. And this is the down part. See how full the down part is. So that's it guys for today, and don't forget to hem the button of your dress. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. I will see you on my next one. Love you. Bye.
Maven.